The main component is the gearbox of the car. It's a transversal layout. It's coming from the MQB. And this layout includes a new gearbox which we call 400E. It's a double clutch gearbox. And into this double clutch gearbox we have integrated the electric motor of 75 kilowatt. So it's a 6-speed double clutch, and we have a third clutch which connects the gearbox to the engine, and we are doing that because we are able to run the car fully electric, and then the clutch to the engine is open, and we also are able to run it like a double clutch system. So we use the petrol engine, or we are able to run it like a hybrid. So in the hybrid mode, we can recuperate. So we can use the electric motor as generator, and we can recuperate the electric power of the engine as for regenerating the braking moment as component to charge a battery. Okay, so that's this here, this engine. Then we have the power electronics. You have the charger. Here you have an electromechanical assist for the brake. That's very important. So it's not a pneumatic one. It's a electromechanical braking assist, which allows to let me say to manage the braking torque between the electric generator and mechanical brakes. So up to a specific brake force, we only use the generator, and only over bigger braking performance we add the mechanical braking system. And then we have the battery. The battery is placed under the seat. The battery is a fully closed battery pack. Inside the battery pack there are 8 modules. These are the modules here, and every module is filled by 12 prismatic battery cells. The cells are produced by Sanyo. Sanyo is a Japanese battery manufacturer, cell manufacturer, and so this is a modular system which we can use in different cars, all of the MQB. And we also can use it, for example, with prismatic cells from other manufacturers. So the cell is not fixed to one. We can also switch with the technology. For example, if we have the next generation of battery cells, we can go to the next generation because the geometry is fixed, and so we are very flexible with this system. This battery pack is cooled by a cooling system, and it's a separate cooling system which has the cooling alternator in the front of the car. So it's a fully integrated system.